Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. I share entertainment news, celebrity gossip. If you are someone who likes umkosi, then this is definitely the channel for you. How guys nina kanti men anjani guys amadoda anjani. Men will kill us one day. Wait again. So as we all know, Sia Kolisi and Rachel Kolisi, they were married, they separated, Tony cheating allegations, what. Ne? This guy went on and got another Rachel, who is also white. Like, njani. Baningi abantu obungabathola. Yes, you can find someone who's white, ke igama lakhe mhlambe ukubani Samantha or something. You go and find another Rachel. You guys want to kill us indirectly. How could you? Like amadoda guys, I don't know how they think. Angazi nje. I think this is just revenge. There is no coincidence like this one. No, we don't have a problem that you like white girls, it's your preference. But nje sana uze ulandele negama lam. Accused who dates someone who has the same name as their ex. And if maybe it was a case yokuthi it's a guy, ne, it would have been understandable because really guys are the ones that approach us. But in a case where it's a girl, so when you went to her, like, I don't know guys, maybe it's just a coincidence. Please leave a comment in the comment section down below. Let me know what you think about this. Do you guys think it's a coincidence or really it's just a revenge sana? Because I would cry for 30 days and 30 nights sana, someone doing this to me. But yes, sana, thank you so much guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I will see you on my next one. Bye.